Hi guys, my name is Gash and today I'll be teaching you the basics of fills on Pivot Animator, and this is pretty easy. So yeah, let's get started. First things first, what you're going to be doing is you're going to put this or whatever you want to fill in, or if you downloaded something, it should come with a fill. So if you load a figure in and see this, it says chair fill. I made this fill myself. You can make fills and I'll also teach you how to do that. But say you want to fill it in. So first what you would do is you would get the first fill. Okay? So if I go ahead and I find a fill, let me find one. There we go. You're going to change it to a color. Any color. It doesn't have to be a certain color. The color that you want it, basically, okay? And then you would add the outline, because it always says like outline or something, like always does. Well, sometimes it says like OL sometimes or whatever. But then you're just going to make, or you're going to put the fill right behind the actual thing, like the thing that you fill in. Okay? Sometimes you need multiple fills. Sometimes you don't. If you're making your own fill, you might. But yeah, as you can see, now it's a color. Fills are basically the insides, so it doesn't make it look like it's just an outline of something, and it looks more like realistic, basically. And it just helps a lot with animations, basically. That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm just gonna move this up for my animation real quick. And I'll also teach you guys how to make colored characters in the next video. Like, as you can see, I have colorful characters right now. I'm gonna start doing more animations with them. Okay, but now I'll be teaching you how to make your own fills. So if you just have an outline or something, I'll teach you right now how to make it a fill. Okay, so as you can see, we have an outline of a chair. Okay, you're just going to press this pencil. You can also go to edit and make it transparent. So now it's like transparent and you can see what's going on and you can like see how it would look. I like this feature. It's pretty cool. But what you're going to do is you're going to take this line and you're going to move it up and you're just going to want to fill everything in. And then once you create a line, make sure you press this button, or you can press S on your keyboard, and it will make it where when you are making the animation, those red, like all of those red dots won't show. So yeah, I'll have timestamps in the description if you don't want to watch me do this. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk you guys through it. So make sure though that you keep on pressing S every time you make a line, or else it's gonna show up and you're not gonna be that happy. Oh, and if you guys make a mistake by accident, well, all mistakes are by accident. What am I saying? You can always press Control and then you can press Z, and it'll fix the mistake. So say you accidentally delete something, it's easy to fix. All you have to do, Control Z. So yeah. Okay, I made the fill. Now you're just gonna press save as or add to animation. And then once you press add to animation, it will take it to your animation. So I'll do chair fill. I didn't spell fill right because I already had one. But yeah, and then you're just going to delete the outline, make the not the outline brown, and then you're going to add the fill brown or whatever color you want it to be, and then connect them by pressing the join figure. And now it looks like a real chair. So yeah, just gonna throw that in there real quick. So yeah, now we have this. That's the basics of fills, and that's how you also create them. Okay? So if you guys enjoyed, if this video gets 10 likes, I will show you guys how to make colored stick figures and how to make them very easy. So yeah, if this helped you guys, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.